Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today's tutorial is on how to make Princess Dart Bustier gown. Princess Dart Bustier gown. For this style, you'll be needing two different types of fabrics. The first fabric will be for the gown part. Then the second fabric will be for the ruffles. Tailor's chalk, staple, scissors, and your paper for drafting. You are going to draft the bustier on paper before transferring to your fabric. Fold your paper into two. Using your body measurements, draft an A-line dress as seen here. Contour the under bust as seen here. Bring down the dart leg to the waistline as seen here. Extend the dart to the hemline as seen here. Curve the princess dart into the armhole as shown here. For the neck, mark 3 inches by 3 inches. Come down by ½ inch from the neckline. Draw half of love shape. Come up at the hemline by 1 inch and curve as seen here. Cut it out. You have something like this. Attach gathers at the down part. Let me know in the comment section if you have any question. Please support me by subscribing to this channel, like as well as share my videos. Thank you.